Have you ever just taken and completely exploded everything that you knew about your life and turned it upside down and created something completely new? Something that you don't know what's around the corner, but you're excited to find. I'm in that becoming stage right now. The shedding of everything that I knew. I am sitting inside my blazer right now that I've been working on, and gonna spend the night in here. And if you notice, I decided to do something different with my hair. I cut it all off. Rocking the mohawk. Just ready for all of the undoing. So, I mean, it's not bad. I've still got some stuff to do. I still have to take the seat out. It's still in front of me, so it's creating a bunch of problems right here as far as stuff. But I've gotten all of my things together in... it's real interesting that once I really started thinking of what I needed to take with me, it has reduced dramatically. You know, I'm going to be living in an old 97 Blazer. But you know what? I'm going to be able to fit everything that I absolutely need in here. And I think this is probably the best. I was thinking that I was going to need all this other stuff. I was setting aside all of these other things. Oh, I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to put that in there while I was making my dreams. And most of that stuff isn't going to make it. Sorry for the noise. That is my co-pilot having fun back there with her bone. Just happy as can be in here with me. She is a rescue dog, and she used to go in the semi with her previous owner. So we've been out here for a couple of days, and she is just so happy with her little spot back here. Tonight, she's the one that bugged me and said, "Come on, let's go." And she's my world. So, yeah, it's gonna be something. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, the realization of I can't fit that, but do I really need it? No. Bringing just what I need to survive. And once I get these seats out of here, I'm actually going to take this other seat out of here that I was thinking about taking out, because I believe it will be better for me to undo my bed during the day, and I will just make a big landing pad back here for Angel, because I can just move this cushion that's right here and put it back there and make it just one big like cushion for her. She does have some mobility issues, so having a nice space for her to just be. She does need to rest and lay down quite a bit. I'm hoping getting out that, you know, it's going to be so much better for her, and she's going to get feeling better. But, and I know she will, and I know I will. Oh my gosh, I have so much weight that I've put on, and I know that I'm going to end up losing that, because I'm not just sitting in a house eating because I'm bored and there's nothing to do but watch YouTube videos. But I'll tell you, that time that I spent watching YouTube videos is what has propelled me. So if you're out there and you're thinking, I want to do something, oh, that would be fun, just do it. Make it happen. Rather than sitting there, that's what I did. I got up and figured it out. Figured out a way. Is it the exact way that I wanted things to happen? Absolutely not. But is it going to work for now? Yeah. And isn't it so amazing how I'll be able to expand it from here? And the things that I'll be able to now take my time and make all the right decisions to get just that right thing. But for me, it was about just getting out here, just getting it done, getting in a vehicle and starting. That's what it was all about for me. And it's kind of surreal that it's happening. And I know that the process is going to be a little slower than I thought. Things are going to be a little different than I imagined, but that's the fun part, I guess. You know, I do still have to work. I'm going to have to be staying locally. Luckily, I'm subletting my apartment, and it's a very good friend of mine, and so I have some place to go land at. And so, you know, it gives me the time. Right now, I'm just doing it in the driveway. I just need to see how it's going to work. Spend a night out here and then figure out, okay, that didn't work. Let's try this. Let's try that. Right now I've got flies in here and I've got to get the screens on. I've still got to make my window shades. I've still got to do all of that, but I wanted to just come out here and do a night out here and say good night to all of you guys, and hopefully good morning in the morning. Good morning in the morning, huh? Huh, baby girls? Yeah. Yep, that's my little co-pilot. Gotta love her. But, oh, we're just sitting here listening to the crickets and all of that night sounds with, you know, twinkle lights and the fresh air in the driveway. And I'll probably make a few of these that way. But I have plans tomorrow to start taking these chairs out, these seats out. And I found a really cool, I love going and finding stuff on the side of the road or sitting next to dumpsters or whatever. And I found this really cool little, really deep storage, old wicker flip-top like hamper thing, but it's tiny. And I think that that's going to make actually a pretty good little kitchen tabletop, and everything should fit down in there with the right containers. So that'll be cool to see how that goes. I want to get some spray paint. I'm going to clean it, spray paint it. There's some things that I want to do to the carpet. I may have to build a platform. I don't know. We'll see when I get it tore apart, but I'm going to show you guys when I do it. I'm going to start trying to post a little more every day about what I'm doing, because I have done some stuff out here and I haven't posted it. And it's been on my mind to post it. I don't know. I just don't take the time. I'm like, oh, well, it's not enough to post, but who cares if it's a 5-minute video? I'm going to start doing them. So I'm going to say goodnight. We'll see you tomorrow.